Yo, Sakafet, I'm Samy Beatz. Today I'm gonna show you how to create your first Afro Konpa pattern. If you want to get into producing Konpa, this video is exactly for you. So let's have some fun. Let's set our tempo. I think I'm gonna go with 85. Let's say 84, 85. And first again is gonna be lap because I want to create my melody first and then after adding some drums. Let's use lap so we can create the chord progression. D flat, and then we go to B flat, and then we go to A flat. And now we complete the chord progression. Take this. It's like we get back and then we get back to the first one. On this one we can add this right here. Alt O, and then Alt X. Let's lower it again a little bit, and then the next one is going to copy the low note, and then boom. Oh good, that's our chord progression. Maybe let's do some 7 chord. Nice. That's better. That's better. And maybe we transpose this one here. Let's transpose it. Nice. Woo. Yeah, that sounds good. And let's say we add contact 8, and then we try to find some sound that you can really attach to R&B. I think I saved a preset for R&B. This one it's from the 40s very own key. You know, 40s is the Drake producer, and the preset is Poise Pad. We just copy the same composition and then we pass it here. Let's go all. No. Take this one. Okay, and I am going to clone it. There is another preset that I think I can use. It's from Contact again. I think the library is free too. We can use the default preset. It sound like this. Very nice. And Command V. Sound like that. And also I think let's play with this a little bit. We can do nice. That's better. Nice. Okay, that sounds cool. Those and smoother too. Let's copy, Command C, Command V, and now we are. That's crazy. Woo! And the last thing is going to be another preset from Sky Keys. This smooth R&B pad that I save again. Command V. It sounds like this. Add X because I want this to be a little bit loud. Nice. Now we use the Goaler bass from Omnisphere So we create the synth bass. It's basically pretty simple. We just copy the low note and then we pass it here. That's the chord progression. You can see that we layer 4 instruments to find this crazy sound, and then we add a bass. And now I am trying to add a kompa, kind of kompa melody, so we can start adding the kompa vibe already. Okay, this one is the same plug Joey Dwet used in one of his songs, I think, Voye. I think we can transpose. Okay. If we go to the Afro Compa Volume 1, we can use this Kale loop, and then let me show you. It's gonna sound crazy. Fire already. Let's go to cell. So let me show you how you can achieve this kind of semi Kale. We call this one. It's just we go. Okay, and now you add a second note right here, and then you take the gain down. Sorry. 10 to 10 to 10. And also you can make them add them at different velocity. So it's going to make it sound much more realistic. Comment B, and this one you can play with those. Change the velocity a little bit so it can never be the same 2 times. Now let's add a percussion. Let's use this one. Guys, if you see a fly on the frame, is like there's a fly in the room. And I cannot kill it. There's different kick we can add. We can add this one, but I don't wanna. Okay, I think I might use this one, but I want to remove some of the high. Okay, let's go here. That's it. And now we can definitely add maybe some add this bell, and also we can add some conga. Oh, my conga. Okay, let's use this low conga. Pretty simple like that. And then boom boom. And now we add the conga. And now I think we can definitely add another bass. Let's say we clone this one, and then let's use a sub bass. Let's say we go with the sine bass. If you go and trying to find a clip sine bass, and then you're good to go. We can follow this note right here. Those no, make it longer, like. Okay, that sounds pretty crazy already. Let's add the gold particle, and now I want to add some log drum. I want to bring the log drum vibe to this beat, and let's say that we add the flute CGX10 drum flute CGX10. Where is it? Okay, and now we add the, let's say we use the basic log drum. Oh, that's better. That's a vibe. That's a vibe we have here. So and if we listen to the Konpa vibe, and then everything together sound like. Okay, let me use this Kale instead of this one, because I really want, or I really love the swing that is on this one, because I take much more time to create it and then process it. So I'm gonna use it. See, it's crazy. When you have that, you have your first pattern. That means you can add more instruments, some vocal chop. You can add guitar, like one guitar on the left, another one on the right, if you want. But you can keep it simple as you create the Afro Konpa vibe. You have the Afro vibe in the verse, and then the chorus, and then at the end you can have the solo vibe, the solo compa vibe. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a tutorial where I'll show you how to create compa solo vibe with stock plugin. So yeah, that's it guys. It is a nice vibe. Yeah, thanks for tuning in guys. Don't forget to subscribe so we can hit 100k later this year. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.